Hello there YouTube, hope your day has been fantastic, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get wallpapers like this. Ones that have that nice little fade animation type deal. This works for any iPhone on at least iOS 11 or if you have a 5C and up. But as usual, all links are in the description to help you follow along. So you want to click the link that I'm going to give you. It'll bring you to this website. Now, personally, I chose M because that's the beginning letter of my name. And there's several other ones. If you don't want a letter, they have numbers. But personally, I'd rather have a letter. Now, if you have an iPhone X or an iPhone 10, you can pick this one. And you can save it. These are kind of difficult to save just because. And you might want to get the Drive app just to make it a little bit easier, just so you can easily find what you want. So once you get the Drive app, you can find which one you want. Hold down on it, click OK, just save to my camera roll. Now I can go find it and then set as wallpaper. Now this is a lock screen wallpaper, so this is not going to necessarily work on home screen. You can try it. It will work slightly, but it's not going to capture the true beauty of it. Now you want to zoom in to your preference. I want mine to be like that because it's a big X. And then you want to set it as still, and then just click lock screen. Now whenever I turn it on, you have that nice little animation, and then whenever I turn it off, it just goes back in. It's a very nice animation. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and peace out. See you next time.